Hey guys, we are back with the hoverboard battery problem part 2. So I took it apart. I showed you in the last video why it wasn't turning on. So I bought a new battery like I told you guys before. I connected it. It's this connector piece right here and this connector piece right here. This is very simple to take apart. I don't want you guys to get discouraged and feel like it's too big of a problem, which is really not. We have 4 screws right here that hold this in place. Now, you guys want to keep the wires under this black piece right here to hold the wires in place and keep it nice and tight. If not, it can become loose and become a problem. You got to keep in mind, you guys are going to be driving this on concrete. So you want to make sure the gadgets are safe. You know what I mean? The wires are nice and tucked in. Now, I haven't turned this on yet, so you guys wish me luck. But I have a great feeling that it is the battery. Mind the fact this battery is super old, guys, so just remember that. So let's turn this on and let's see what goes on. Hey, we got action, babies. Now look, before this was yellow, it wouldn't even turn green. It was a solid yellow, then it would blink, then go back to solid, nothing would charge. I had this charger for 8 hours, so I thought it was a charger, like I said, so I bought a new one. It wasn't the problem. Now, the battery replacement was the problem, was the solution, how you fix the hoverboard. Now, don't get discouraged, like I said. Don't go out wasting your money trying to buy a new charger or go buy a new hoverboard. Replace the battery 9 times out of 10, that's what it is. If you guys like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will have other videos, a lot of funny stuff also going on. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.